Here's another 3D print. Jesus, these support settings are too good. I actually need to use this box for the supports. Come on! Got it. Ta-da! Mouthpiece 1, done.
All right, we're gonna have to bust out the big guns.
Mouthpiece 2, looks pretty decent, not gonna lie. It's the back piece. Perfect. I knew this deburring tool would be useful one day. That'll do for now. Multicolored print took way too long than it needed to be. Got the eyes. It's beautiful champagne gold. Now let's take all this and let's get it put together. Magnets. Oh, that fits right into place. The horns are the biggest thing because I'm not sure with the little square if they're gonna fit properly. Never mind, they fit perfectly. All right, we got the glue. Shake, shake, shake. Is I like to take a little Q-tip, dip it in the glue. Right, so it's just the Q-tip head that's covered in the glue, and then just put that in there. One thing I also like to recommend is scuffing the surface. Just a little bit, because it helps that glue stick. Now we're getting somewhere. Now it's actually starting to look like the Blue Power Ranger. We got one eye. We have both eyes. Look at that. Ain't that cool? That's pretty cool. For the hard part, which is gluing all these magnets in. So we're gonna just zoom through this and I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. That's held in by friction. That's not going nowhere. Check it out. This is how it looks so far without the magnets. And we're gonna get the magnets on and we'll be right back. All right, check it out. We have some magnets in and we have some on the back just to hold them in place. And then once those dry, we're gonna put it on the big helmet and then we're gonna put it together and it's gonna be great. Magnets are all in place. I'll be back in a bit to let the glue cure and I'll see you guys then. And we're back and we got this piece. Just gonna collect all these magnets now. Just like so. Let's try it on with glasses first. Follow for more.